Hello, I am Dr. Dhabaleswar Sahu, consultant cardiologist working in Prathama Hospital, Kachigoda. Today, in this World Health Day, I would like to discuss how to take care of your heart and what are the heart attack symptoms and how can you can recognize it, and if also how can you prevent it. Okay, and still heart attack is the most common cause of death in worldwide, including India also. Okay, that means it kills more persons than other diseases. So it is so important topic, and would like to discuss in this World Health Day. Okay, so and another point is heart attack is very much treatable and also very much preventable. So this heart is just like your fist. The size is just like your fist. Okay, and this is small organ. It supplies to each and every part of our body. When it supplies blood to each and every part of our body. Okay, if it stops, no organ will get blood. Okay, so what are the heart attack symptoms and what are the risk factor and what to prevent it? We will discuss in this World Health Day. Okay, the heart attack most common symptoms of heart attack is chest pain. That in medical term you call it is angina. So the chest pain due to heart attack, it will manifest as retrosternal chest pain, means behind the sternum in left side, and it will just the character of pain is squeezing, as if somebody squeezes your chest, just like, and it was so much severe that you'll feel that the patient will feel that as if an elephant is sitting on chest. Okay, and there is some character also. It will radiate to left arm, enveloped jaw. Okay, and there is associated with the other symptoms like sweating, and then patient will feel that impending doom, restless. Okay, if these are the symptoms, okay, please kindly go and visit to a doctor. And another thing is, you have to see what are the which patient profile. Suppose young patient, 20-30 years patient, he'll come with chest pain. Most likely, it is not cardiac. It is not heart attack. But in contrary, if a old age patient, diabetes, hypertensive, and more than 50 years, and he present with the chest pain, and most likely it is due to cardiac. If there is a retrosternal chest pain, sweating, okay. And another paradox of this chest pain is, it is present only 60 to 70%, typical chest pain. But what about rest 30-40% patient? That is, you will only present with only sweating, shortness of breath, means breathlessness, palpitation. Okay, that symptom, that patients is difficult to recognize. Okay, so those patients having diabetes, hypertension, old age, if there is chest pain and it is severe, please go and kindly visit to a doctor, because ECG, the cost of ECG is only 100 to 200 rupees, and it will be done within 5 minutes. Now this social media is there. You can send this images to a cardiologist. It can be analyzed within no time. Okay, so please don't neglect your symptoms. And another point I would like to tell is, sometimes also the chest pain is confusing because the heart and the stomach lies close to each other. Sometimes we have seen in your emergency, the young patient will come 20-30 years, they will come with this chest pain, they will tell that I have a heart attack. But most likely this patient have this gastritis pain. But in contrary to old age, some patients they'll think that there is a gastritis pain, and they will in homes they'll take some antacid, they feel better. But ultimately they are landing in complication. Okay, so heart attack is, the time is very important. Okay, proper time treatment saves the life of the patient. Okay, so what are the risk factor of heart attack? Means what are the risk factor? Means what are the this is the patients, those having this risk factor, they are more likely to have heart attack. So there are non-modifiable factors and modifiable. In medical term, non-modifiable we can modify, like age. You cannot modify your age. It will go increase. And another is hereditary. Hereditary means these patients, their father, mother are having heart attacks. They are more likely to have the heart attack, okay, in life. Because if you see the from outside also, you look like your parents, okay, maybe father or mother look like. So inside will be your father and mother type, okay. So those are having family history, old age. Also now it is equal. The heart attack is equal occurs in male and female, okay. So they are more likely to have this heart attack. Another thing is modifiable risk factor. Those who can modify your sedentary lifestyle. Those are patients having sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy food habits, obesity, diabetes, hypertension. They are the risk factors. Okay, these patients are more prone for heart attack. Then another thing is how to prevent this heart attack. Okay, there are 5 things you have to do. Okay, for heart attack, only remember 5 things. First thing is you have to do regular exercise. Because see, our ancestors, they are used to work in paddy fields, but suddenly because of sudden change of lifestyle, you become sedentary. Okay, you have a lot of stress in work, okay, and taking unhealthy foods. That's why you are more prone for the heart attack. So our gene is not to sit and work. It is our gene, ancestor gene is to work in paddy field. Okay. So how much you should do exercise? It is 30 to 45 minutes per day. Okay. And 5 days in a week. That is, just remember, 30 to 45 minutes exercise is just moderate exercise meant you have to walk and run, and 5 days in a week. That was, it will take care of. Okay. And now my next point is your healthy food habits. You should know what you are eating. Okay. Healthy food habits means avoid junk foods, outside food, fried foods, okay. Then preserved foods. Just avoid, because it contains more of saturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid means they will go and they will form cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and it will clog your arteries, okay, arteries of your heart, okay. Avoid junk foods, outside food. Then how to take, which foods you will take? Take green leafy vegetables, all green leafy vegetables, fruits, fresh foods, okay. In your diet should contain adequate dietary fibers, okay. And always try to take an apple per day. It is a proverb, an apple a day keeps doctor away. It's correct only, okay. First is regular exercise, healthy food habits. Then I will give importance to smoking. Avoid smoking. No smoking policy should be there. And no tobacco. Any form of nicotine is prevented. And you've seen young patient, those who are having 20-30 years patients, those who are having heart attacks, mostly 99% they are taking cigarettes. Because what this cigarette contains, more than 20,000, more than 2,000 toxins. Okay, just remember 2,000 toxins. Out of them, 400 toxins are dangerous to your health, to your heart. Okay, what you smoke, there will be spasm. The artery will be try to spasm, means you close. Once close, there will clot formation, and it will increase your bad cholesterol, decrease your good cholesterol. So regular exercise, healthy food habit, stop smoking. And regarding alcohol also, you have to take mild alcohol. Although it is always advised not to take alcohol, it will cause other problem, liver problem, all the problems. If you are better to avoid alcohols also. If you are chronic alcoholic, take mild alcohol. Okay. Then another is you have to avoid your stress. Okay. Most of you've seen now, you have also news, you've seen somebody died because of these movie stars, these celebrities. After suddenly they died because now everybody is having this lack of exercise, unhealthy food habits, a lot of stress. These 3 things are more prone for heart attacks. Okay. Now this because of this corona, this peoples are working from home. Okay, and these IT peoples are coming because they are not differentiating what is family life and professional life. They are always sitting in the home, working, a lot of stress, taking. It means home means they are taking junk foods. Okay, so one thing is your regular exercise, then healthy food habits, then avoid stress. Okay, then comes your cholesterol and obesity management. Okay, so just I would like to stress upon one point: obesity. Obesity increases 4 times your heart attack. Not only heart attack, diabetes, hypertensive, cholesterol, everything will increase. Once you becomes obese means it is very difficult to control weight. You cannot, it is very, sometimes it is impossible to decrease your weight. Okay, so before getting obese, you should take precaution. Okay, and the fifth thing is, in spite of, if you are having diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, all the risk factors, try to control it. So you have to control diabetes. Okay, it's not that, don't think that if you take diabetes medicine, hypertension medicine, it will become, you have to take lifelong. It's not like that. Okay, if you are diabetes, you have to control your diabetes. Sugar should be less than 105. Okay, it should be controlled because diabetes is the mother of every problem. It is not only sugar problem, it is shows your lifestyle problem. Okay, then another thing is your this cholesterol, because what happens, this dyslipidemia cholesterol, if it is deposited in your belly, it can be seen outside. Okay, but once it deposits in the heart, it will lead to heart attack. Okay, so cholesterol levels, if you are having high cholesterol, medicine should be taken, don't neglect. And another thing is hypertension. Okay, hypertension is the silent killer. It will increase your heart attack, also brain stroke. Okay, so once you are hypertensive, please don't neglect your hypertension, because initially the blood pressure will cause no symptoms, though only mild headache. Okay, and if you will not treat properly, that may lead to heart attack and brain stroke. Okay, so don't think that if you will take the hypertension medicine, this BP medicine, it will be habituation. Don't think that. You just take 1 to 2 medicines. You have to decide whether you have to want to take 1 to 2 medicine for diabetes, blood pressure, or if there is a problem of heart attack or stroke, you have to take 10 medicine. Okay, you have to decide. These are these. You have to control your sugar, blood pressure, and your obesity, and this cholesterol. So prevention is 5 steps. Okay, exercise, healthy food habits, stop smoking, decrease obesity. Okay, then fifth is, if you have this diabetes, hypertension, all the things, try to take medication. Another point I will take, those are having heart attacks, those are having stents also, don't think that world is over for you. It's not like that. You take medicine. I have seen people surviving 40-50 years after also heart attack. Okay, but most important things, they have to be regular for taking medicine. You have to be compliant with your medicines and with your doctor's advice. And some patients, they will take medicine for 1 year. They think that I am okay, I will stop medicine. While unnecessary, they will cause side effect. Please don't do this. So at the end of my talk, in this World Health Day, we should take a place to take care of our heart. Okay, that's all. Thank you.